Welcome back to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. Today, we're exploring a versatile styling tool that promises to make hairstyling both quick and effortless. Introducing the Aria Beauty Twist Iron, a dual-voltage 2-in-1 hair straightener and curler. Whether you're looking to tame frizz, add sleekness, or create voluminous curls, this tool might just be your new best friend. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. This sleek black Tourmaline ceramic flat iron offers two functions in one device, straightening and curling. It's designed for all hair types, including curly, thick, or fine hair, giving you the freedom to style with precision. What's interesting about the Aria Beauty Twist Iron is its digital display, which makes temperature control a breeze. Whether you're straightening or curling, you can adjust the heat settings based on your hair's needs, kindling, which is a big plus for both healthy hair and ease of use. Now, let's get into my experience with the product. As someone who frequently tests hair tools, I always look for versatility, speed, and of course, results. With this 2-in-1 design, I was able to create both sleek straight looks and defined curls without the need for two separate tools. The black Tourmaline ceramic plates not only glide smoothly through the hair, but also reduce static and frizz, which is crucial if you have fine or flyaway hair like mine. The cordless design also makes it easy to use anywhere, and I appreciated how lightweight it felt while styling. There's no drag or snagging, and my hair didn't feel dry after using it, always a concern with straighteners. On the other hand, it took me a bit of time to master the curling function. While the flat iron works wonders for straightening, curling with it requires a little more technique. It's still very doable, but if you're used to a traditional curling iron, it can feel a bit unfamiliar. That said, once I got the hang of it, the curls were long-lasting, soft, and bouncy, no crunchiness or stiff texture. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros: versatility. Straightener and curler in one tool. Perfect for those who want an all-in-one solution. Tourmaline ceramic plates. Smooth gliding and reduced frizz. Digital display makes controlling the temperature incredibly easy, which is great for maintaining hair health. Suitable for all hair types. This really lives up to its claim. Whether you've got fine hair or thick, curly locks, it works well. Cons: curling function takes practice. It's effective once you get the hang of it, but it's not as intuitive as a dedicated curling iron. Price: it's on the higher end of the spectrum for a 2-in-1, so consider whether you'll use both functions regularly. In terms of value for money, I do think it's worth the investment, especially if you're looking for a versatile tool that offers both straightening and curling capabilities. The digital display and black tourmaline ceramic are high-quality features that elevate the performance, and the results are long-lasting. That being said, if you rarely curl your hair, or prefer a dedicated curling iron, you might find the price a bit much for the extra functionality you might not use regularly. Let's talk about build quality and longevity. The Aria Beauty Twist Iron is well made, with durable materials that don't feel flimsy. The tourmaline ceramic helps protect hair, and the corded design means you'll never worry about battery life. Great for long styling sessions. It feels like it's built to last, and I've had no issues with wear and tear so far. Now, if you're considering alternatives, there are a number of other straighteners and curlers that might suit a different budget or style preference. However, the Aria Beauty Twist Iron does offer a solid combination of both functions in one tool. So for those who value convenience, it's a worthwhile option. If you're only after a straightener or curling iron separately, you might find cheaper alternatives that perform just as well. So, what's the final verdict? The Aria Beauty Twist Iron is a great choice for anyone who needs an all-in-one styling tool. Its versatility makes it ideal for busy mornings when you want to go from sleek and straight to bouncy curls in minutes. It works across all hair types, it's built to last, and it makes styling a little easier with its intuitive digital display. However, if curling isn't something you'll do frequently, you might want to look for a more specialized tool. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching today's review. If you've used the Aria Beauty Twist Iron, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.